Hello everybody's, heidi ho. Welcome to my channel, Your Finger My Ring. Today I'm going to do another 50p. The Tale of Peter Rabbit. So there you go, this is a UK 50 pence 2017. First of all, yep, out comes the penetrator. Excuse me. And let's bang a hole in it. This is my 20-ton press, Big Bertha. Has been behaving herself lately. She's not getting damp at the moment, which is nice. I think she's nearly out of oil, that's why. She was leaking like a sieve for ages. I haven't done anything to her. No. Perhaps she's got time to behave herself. I did have a word with her. Right. Thank you to my subscribers that have just hit that subscribe button. Appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, there's a little button, bottom right hand corner. Hit that and you're automatically subscribed. Right, what am I doing? I need some love with Bernie, the fire starter. Called annealing. Just softens up the metal so you can work it a bit easier. You're looking for a custom ring? Look no further. I'll happily make you one. Hey, come on, come on. Hit that like button. Come on, please hit that like button. I shouldn't have to ask you really, should I? You should do it out of kindness of your heart. Okay. I think, obviously, we're going to have to go with this sunny side up on the ring. So that goes face down in my 17-degree folding die. I can't go all the way in this one. I've got to turn it over. I've just got to start it. And this is my big red. Now that should fit in here. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Let's break out Sandy and clean up this edge. Make sure it looks pretty good, but you just want to make sure there's no cracks or splits forming. Otherwise you're going to split your ring. And who wants to split their ring? See, it's quite thin there. There's no cracks or anything, but it's a bit thin, so give it a bit more love. That's looking a bit better. Yeah, that's good. So now we'll go over to our best friend, Spike. And this dude, I've got some clean cloths, look at this. Organised on what? This fella stretches your ring. Sounds quite painful, doesn't it? Okay. And you use the kitchen towel to stop you losing the detail on the inside of your ring. I mean, who the hell wants to lose their detail on the inside of their ring? Not me, not you. Needs a bit more. A touch more. I think we'll show a bit more love with Bernie. I like these 50p rings, I love them. They're just totally different, they're unique. A bit like you, a bit like me. One of a kind. You have to do this 2 or 3 times on some coin rings. Depending on the metal it's made of and how thick the coin is. But I haven't done a Peter Rabbit 50p. I've got quite a few different 50p's. Right. Let's dry it off. And give it another couple more pumps. And that should take it. This isn't any for anybody in particular, I'm just making the ring. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there are in EU size. And if you want that particular ring that's there, I can make them slightly larger or smaller for you. Now I want to take out that cone shape. And for that, can I use this? No. No. Oh, I can give that a little bit of a 1, 2. This is that same 17-degree die I used to fold the coin to start with. How's that looking? I need some white. It's looking pretty good. Balls are pretty straight. Yeah. Okay, that's good. And the inside edge, there isn't. There's a bit. So we'll break out my deburring tool, or Christy Burr. Be good to have it in shot, wouldn't it? Stupid boy. Yeah, there's a slight lip on the inside of this, and if you don't get rid of that, it's uncomfortable to wear. And it gives you a full size because you've got about 1/2 mil protruding, so you think the ring's fitting you, but it's not. You probably lose it. See that eating away? There's a touch more. But my wrist is saying no more, so we break out jaws. This just holds the coin easier than me grabbing it. I don't have to put so much pressure on the coin. Saves my left wrist from saying, nah, no more. Yeah, that's good. Right. The edge is now gone. So that'll fit you perfectly now. So let's break out Kate Bush. There she is. This just gets the fire scale off. I'd much rather do this by hand, but my left wrist won't have it. And inside, this is just fire scale where you heat it up. Right, there you go. Oh, that's nice. Oh, you got his ears. I like it. Yeah. This is the first rabbit 50 pence I've done. Right, let's get some polish on it. And give it some love. Okay. Have you hit that like button yet? Why not? Come on, hit it. Cost you nothing. And I'll love you forever. We could all do with more love in the world, especially these days. Right, yeah, my girlfriend finishes these off because my hands are still covered in bloody polish and oil. So after the video, she goes through them all and cleans them up, gets them nice and sexy. These make great gifts. Christmas is coming. You know anybody that's into Beatrix Potter? There's a nice Peter Rabbit ring here for you. This will be in my shop within the next few days, hopefully. And I don't know what the size is yet, but if you want this particular ring, All I need is your ring size, and I can adjust this size up or down for you within reason. There is limitations to how far I can go with it. Okay. One Peter Rabbit ring. Bit different. That's why you use the kitchen roll. You don't lose the detail on the inside of the ring. You've got the date. It's all there for you. Elizabeth, 2017. What size we got? You always measure from the reeded side of the coin. In this case it's not reeded, but it's the fluted side. It's the thickest part of the coin. This is a size 66.5. But like I say, I can adjust them up for you. So thanks for watching. I love you to bits. Catch you tomorrow. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You know the score. Play the game. Take it easy. Toby, bye-bye.